This yogurt and mint sauce is just like the one you'll find at an Indian restaurant. You will need mint jelly, Indian or Greek style yogurt, salt. Put 2 tablespoons of mint jelly into a bowl. Whisk it to break the jelly down a bit. Add 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. Whisk it until the jelly has broken down. Add a pinch of salt and whisk it again. Cover the bowl and store it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. If you like, you can add a few leaves of finely chopped fresh mint to your jelly. You could also add a small finely chopped red chili to spice things up a little. This dipping sauce is perfect for spicy Indian style finger foods or drizzled over barbecued meat. It will last in the fridge for a few days.